Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that anytime or any day I post a video, you will be the first to see. Yes, today I don't carry another Obonga matter come. Wetin I carry come today na one of our man, our old man, when he be say he get 3 daughters, all the 3 daughters where he get, he don't impregnate all of them, the 3 of them, he don't pregnant all of them. The mama of these daughters, him mama dey see am, he go sleep with him mama, he go sleep with him daughter, 3 daughters. Him mama no dey talk, him mama say he love him man. Me, I never see that kind of mama where love him man, where they allow him man, they fuck all his children. Now, only this one, I foresee him. In only son now, when he can't get now, he can't cause that one. Say, that his son now can never see any good thing for his life. Say, anytime when that his son see good thing, now that time, he go begin mad. Oh boy, me, I never see this kind of papa before. God forbid to have this kind of papa. And inside this papa now, when I want tell una so this papa now still pastor. Now he make it be saying, oh no, for now where they blind, they follow pastor. Pastor go lead una to inside hair. Just imagine now, pastor when he be saying na 3 daughters, he dey sleep with the 3 daughters. Even if mama them see they see and say they sleep with in children. The mama no fit talk, the mama say in love am. See my people, please, man, be careful the kind of pastors word that they follow, because pastor will add more problem to your injury. So please be careful. I want you people to watch this video. I know most of you have seen the video, but now I want some other ones that didn't see this video, my fans from maybe from America, from different place. I want you people to see the video. It's very, very disgusting. I cannot pray to have this kind of father or to have this kind of father-in-law, any type of thing. So stay tuned and watch this video. Thank you so much, my people.
Call Baba for me. Where is son? Where is son? Where is son here? Today, your medicine don't fail you. Today, your medicine don't fail you. You are evil man. You are evil man. You are evil man. You are evil man. Today, your medicine don't fail you. Your medicine don't fail you today. Your medicine don't fail you. Your medicine don't fail you. They go record your voice. Who know how to record here? Okay. Why did you fuck your 3 daughters?
Because of the witchcraft force.
Witchcraft force?
Yes.
Who gave you the witchcraft force?
My mother told me not to marry my
Stand there.
My mother told me not to marry this woman.
Yeah.
Then I still continue to marry her.
Yeah.
Then as I marry her, she forced me to do that, and as doing that, kill 8 of my children.
No. He's supposed to be there. No, go.
Come there.
He's supposed to be there. No. He's the complainant.
I asked you again, say, come out here. Come out here. No. I asked you, say, why did he fuck your blood? Your 3 daughters. Why did he fuck them? Why did he fuck them and give them belly?
My mother used witchcraft force and force me.
To fuck them?
Yes.
Them. Why did he fuck your grant?
My mother did all. Told her to give me shame.
Where is your mother?
My mother died.
Are you a pastor?
Yes.
What's the name of your church?
The name of my church is Upper Chamber.
Upper Chamber. Yes. Staying at where?
Ibeche here.
Ibeche. Which part of Ibeche?
Chokota.
Chokota.
Yes.
You are the pastor there?
Yes.
How many members do you have in that church?
There are many, sir.
There are many. How many members do you fuck in that church?
I don't fuck.
You didn't fuck any person? Yes. Today, Ospark is going to destroy that church. That church will not be in Ibechi again. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Are you hearing me?
Say yes.
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
They are going to destroy that wing church you are using as a counterpoint. Today, they are going to destroy it. Today, they cannot be there again in that Ibechi again. You're a shame of your family. Madam, how old are you?
I don't know, but I named 66.
66.
Yes.
This man, is he your husband?
My beloved husband.
Okay. When your husband fuck your daughter, what did you do as a wife?
I cannot do anything because I love him and I cover him.
You cover your husband?
Yes.
Are you not an evil woman?
My life, God make me not evil.
What? Hold on. You cover your husband. Your husband fuck your daughter and you cover your husband. Hold on. Your husband fuck your daughter. Is it a good thing?
No.
What motivate you to cover your husband so that people will not hear it? Your relation will not hear it. Your own relation will not hear it. Why did he cover it? If you know be your son, reveal the secret.
Because of love.
Because of the love.
Yes.
Do you know that you're a bad woman? And since that time, you are giving your husband food. Are you still giving your husband food since that time?
I cannot deny my husband.
You are still giving your husband food. Okay. Don't worry, the two will come out. Baba? Where Baba? Baba? Call Baba for me now. Call Baba for me.
You also fuck your own.
See prick when they use the fork.
How many years?
On blood.
Now this one is operation.
Hold on, see prick when they use the fork. They fuck your daughter. So you and your daughter now, if they marry your daughter, your blood. Madam, you are ashamed of yourself. Madam, you are ashamed of yourself. You're not supposed to come closer to this man again. You're supposed to leave this man and go back to your place. This man is an evil. It's an evil to you. That is the blood where you born. You went and fuck your blood. Shame of yourself. God will give you. God will not forgive you till you die. God will not forgive you till you die to your grave. God will not forgive you. God will not forgive you. Today we are going to let us for you, and that court will follow you.
You go hand over
Baba,
over your taste.
Baba,
Oga, the son want talk.
can he go there with
Oga, the son want talk.
Go and bring it.
General, the son bring the complaint. The son want talk.
Today, he now lay curse on me that I will never see good thing in my life, which I never
You go
done.
renounce and now.
Remove that curse for him, Nana.
You go renounce the cause.
I said remove the curse.
Renounce the cause.
Come, remove the curse. Remove the curse.
Come on, renounce the cause. Men are not too much so that people renounce am. Men are not too much so that people.
Going back.
Remove the cause. Remove the cause. Remove the cause. Come on, remove the cause. Remove the cause. Remove the cause.
Hold on.
Come on, leave this thing.
Hold on, hold it for hand. Say my son. From today, goodness will follow you.
Good thing follow you.
Anytime you remember,
You will not die.
anytime you remember to curse him, let the curse go back to you. Let the curse
You
of
will
your
not
man
die.
strike
You
you.
will not die. You see
He will
good
talk
thing.
it here.
You see it's not
We are trouser. Oh, give me a trouser. Wait, trouser.
See you, bro. This thing. Jesus, I go fly. Jesus, also, I go fly. Wait, I can make a picture. Come on, make my dress enter you.
So my people, una don't see the video. Una don't see and say they force am now to remove curse for him son. Only son where he get. He curse am, make the son not get anything for life. He can't be say the three children where she can the daughters where she can't get inside, he can't give all of them belle. He say mama na winch. Your mama na winch, he can't give you winch. And you self now na pastor. So what are you teaching in the church? So you are teaching your members how to be a winch or how? People, I dey always give una warning, no. I dey always give una warning. I say the kind of things one are they follow, the kind of pastors one are they follow. The kind of pastors one are they follow. You go carry on put inside gutter. On a fall inside, break leg, you go waka they go. Tell me how pastor go take dey give him children belle 3 of him children. He curse him son. He say mama na winch. He still get a church. This world is very wicked. So I still dey come again for another video when e be say one lady like that, he kill her mama, he use her mama meat, he butcher am, he go dey sell am for market. That one go still come again. Tell him mama wey born am, he kill am, he butcher am like meat, he carry am go dey sell for market. Those people now where they buy meat for market, they no go know meat where then they buy. My God, some people wicked, chow. Some people wicked. Only waiting I go talk be say, Mona be careful, my people. Mona be careful now. Mona be careful. I come in peace. Thank you. I come in peace. Bye bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.